Hello friends, this is Zisham Ghafoor and welcome to the TechnoloZiE channel. Today I am going to show you how to reduce the size of an image in Adobe Photoshop. So let's start. Go to the Adobe Photoshop, select the File menu. In the File menu, select Open and select the image that you want to reduce the size. I am reducing the size of this image which I am using as a sample, which is of 105 KB. Okay, click on Open, and after clicking on Open, the image will open into the Adobe Photoshop. You have to go again to the File and select the Save for Web. Okay, not Save As, select Save for Web. After selecting the Save for Web, there are 4 tabs available here. You can select original, optimized, up to 2, up to 4. Okay, I am selecting up to 4 because it is showing various size of this image. Look, the original one, the first one is 1.1 MB and the second one is 11.83 KB, third one is 10.71 KB, and the fourth one is showing 10.36 KB without reducing its quality. So if you want to reduce the size of image without losing your quality, so you have to use the Adobe Photoshop. Okay, I am selecting the last one, which is of 10.36 KB, and if you want to reduce further the size of image, go to the image size and reduce the width of the size. Okay, currently this is 625 pixels, and you can reduce to 500 or less. Okay, and now in this sample I'm reducing to 500, and after applying this, look at this, the size of all images is reduced. The first one is showing 718 KB, the second one is 894 and 8.94, and the third one is 8.34 KB, and the last one, the fourth one, is showing 7.96. okay, we have reduced the size of image to various degrees. Okay, now you have to click on Save, and after clicking on the Save, select the JPEG format from here in the Save As type, and change the name and select the location. Here I am selecting desktop and renaming it as a reduced size image, SIZEIMAG. okay, and click on Save. After saving this, the reduced image has been saved on the desktop. Okay, now you have to close the Adobe Photoshop and check the sizes. Here are the 2 images on front. Check, this is the original, which is of 105 KB, and if I am clicking and checking the properties of reduced image, you can check here the size of image is reduced to 7.9 KBs. okay, now this is best method to reduce the size of image without losing its quality. Okay, no difference in the quality. Okay, so thanks for watching this video, and don't forget to like, subscribe and share the channel. Thank you very much.